Hello. So welcome back to question number 4. Question number 4 is not very difficult, but it's quite irritating. It's irritating because there's some you can't address the problem at the very beginning. We have to do some strange cleanup just to ensure that the string given to you is of the right is in the right format. So so let's do it together. I have to remind myself to share my screen. Okay, so let's do a check palindrome. Okay, so firstly, what is a palindrome? A palindrome is a string that reads the same from front to the back, from the left to the right, or from right to the left. So examples of palindromes: race, car, medal, civic, level. Yeah, so these are all palindromes. So regardless from left to right or from right to left, it is reads the same. But unfortunately, the string that we are being provided with has many other characters. It's a mixture of uppercase and lowercase, and there are a lot of blanks there. So we have to do a very tedious, very sort of process of just cleaning up the string, which we define by this function called cleanup. So we are going to first convert this to a lowercase. Let me see. Let me first do lower s dot lower. Yeah, seems to be correct. S dot lower. But do I need to? Does it change? Yeah, I need to assign it to something. So lower string equals to s dot lower, and I'm going to define now my output string. This may not be the best way to do it, but it is clear. If I greater equals to a, and I less than equals to z, output string dot append I return well, this seems okay. I think I can work with this. So this is a list of characters, all in the lowercase. So the next thing we want to do is we want to check to see if is my string, which is clean string, a palindrome or not. So I will have to call let's see. So this is where our recursive function comes in. then recursive palindrome. So in this palindrome, what we want to check is if my first string is always equal to my last string or not. Okay. So let's say if I have 3 characters above, so if my first character is always equal to my last character or not. Okay. So if I have this, I will also check if my first character is equal to my last character. What is my terminating condition? My terminating condition is when I either have nothing left, which is an empty string, so an empty list, or if I have only one character remaining in my list. These are the two terminating conditions. So I say again, there are two terminating conditions. Or maybe you can call it like 3 terminating conditions. Okay. 1, list is empty, so it's true. It is a palindrome. Number 2, list has one element, so true. It is a palindrome. And 3, list does not match. The first and last does not match, so not a palindrome. So there are only these 3 conditions there. And then the next thing we want to do is we want to find out how do we carry out this recursive step. So let us do a simple thing. Let's just check first. If the length of S is less than 2, return true. If it's less than 2, means that there's either one element in the string or no elements in the string. Both cases, we are sure that it is a palindrome. Okay. The next case is where the first is not equal to the last. So if S of 1 is not equals to S of minus 1, I return false. This is not a palindrome because my first is not equal to my last digit. Okay. Else, if this goes to this step, it means that my first is equals to my last. I can do a recursive check palindrome. I can do a reduction of my S from my first to my item just before my last. And that is it. Okay, so let's check palindrome. About So it means that it's a bug. Let me see. Return recursive string. Okay, let's look at this together. S.lower wait, Miss Niket. Okay. Funny it works. Okay. Okay. Anyway, don't know. Maybe I forgot to run this one. Okay. Let's look at some palindrome examples. Simple ones. V divider. Okay. V dividers. What's the question? Madam, I'm Adam. Checking if Madam, I'm Adam is a palindrome. Okay. We need to escape a few characters. Let me see. Oh. Wait. I think I need to that. Oh, I think the question is just Madam, I'm Adam. Yeah. So yeah, that's all. Yeah, I think this is not the question. So the sentence is only Madam, I'm Adam. To check if Madam, I'm Adam is a palindrome. And so yes, here it is a palindrome. Okay. So I think that's it for this question. In terms of the running time, probably is big O of n. There's this cleanup which takes O n time. This palindrome is maybe O n divided by 2. So in total, it is still big O of n. So let's do this. So for this part, it requires big O of n divided by 2. For this part, because of the cleanup, you can consider it to take big O of n. So in total, it is still big O of n. So I've come to the end of question number 4. And I will see you at question number